Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your 2024 or 2025 Buick Enclave's infotainment system? You're not alone. Many owners are facing these problems with their vehicle's central display and audio systems. The issues range from the screen going black intermittently to complete audio failure, sometimes affecting even turn signal sounds. General Motors is aware of these issues and has released Dealer Bulletin P86362 acknowledging the problems. Before seeking a replacement, know that dealers are advised against it, as the new system may have the same issues until a proper fix is released. These problems often stem from software glitches, though loose connections or faulty hardware can also be culprits. While waiting for GM's official fix, there are troubleshooting steps you can take to potentially resolve these issues yourself. Start with the basics. First, check that your volume isn't muted or set too low. Look for the volume controls on your steering wheel or infotainment screen. If basic checks don't work, try a system reset. Hold the hang-up button on your steering wheel for 10 to 12 seconds for a soft reboot. This often resolves temporary glitches. Another reset method involves pulling the infotainment and amplifier fuses for a few minutes. This clears the system's memory. Consult your owner's manual for fuse locations. Check for software updates regularly. Connect your Enclave to Wi-Fi, then navigate to Vehicle Software in the Settings menu to manually check for updates. If software fixes don't work, inspect the hardware. Look for loose connections, damaged wiring, or signs of moisture intrusion that could affect the system. If problems persist after trying these steps, it's time for professional help. Schedule a visit to a certified Buick dealer or contact Buick's infotainment team directly at 855-478-7767.